Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Art and Handcrafts. I'm Hira Ahmer. Today I'm showing you how to crochet a rose using my ring rose pattern. The brand of the rope I'm using is Red Heart Super Yarn and the crochet hook 2.2 mm. Before starting the pattern, I would like to request please subscribe my free YouTube channel and like the video. Start the pattern. Make a slip knot first. Now chain 12. Okay, here you can see I make 12 chains. Now make a slip stitch to form a ring like this. Okay, here you can see a nice magic ring. Now chain 3. Now make 23 double crochets in this ring. Two, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see 23 double crochets completed. Now make a slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet like this. Okay, now cut off the threads and the first thread also. Weave the remaining thread inside the stitches like this. For second ring, we change color and make 12 chains again as we did before. Make a slip knot first and then chain 12. Making 12 chains, we insert these chains inside the previous ring like this. Take a slip stitch to interlock this ring. Like this. Now, as we did before, again chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now after making 3 chains, take 23 double crochets inside these chains. Once completed the ring with 23 double crochets, we make a slip stitch as we did before in the previous ring. Here you can see 2 rings are completed. After taking 1 chain, we cut off the thread and tighten it up. Weave in the thread like this to give it a neat look. See, for all other rings, do your slip knot and then chain 12. After making 12 chains, insert these chains inside the previous ring and take chain 3. After taking 3 chains, make 23 double crochets inside the ring. Put the chains inside the ring as we did before, like this, and take a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, chain 3 and take 23 double crochets inside the ring. I make total of 7 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now after making 7 rings, place them straight like this. Now start folding them one by one. Fold them loosely like this. See, the flower will look like this. After making the flower, do some stitches at the bottom part like this. Here you can see a beautiful flower is completed. That's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Until we meet in the next video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Goodbye.